Welcome back to another session. So we already started lesson 7, right? Lesson 7. Who did Patrick's homework? I hope you like the story. And we have finished the lesson and we have started the after lesson exercises also. Yes or no? So in the last session, what we have seen? We have seen pronouns, right? So hope you understood everyone about pronouns and everything. So what is a pronouns? Pronouns means the words we used in the place of nouns. So we have seen so many examples. I see A bit, B bit and C bit. All those are pronouns only with the more examples. Yes? So I already gave you homework. Hope you are all doing it. So what is a pronoun? Let's do a little recap. Pronouns are the words we use in place of nouns. Yes, or you can say instead of nouns. So for examples like he, she, it, this, that, these, those, right? So we have seen a possessive pronoun as well as the possessive adjective also in the last session. So since we have it is a lengthy lesson, now we will move on to the next topic. Okay? So today's topic will be articles. So understanding the rules of English is very important, children, because it will help you in order to think and write also. For writing purpose it is very important, even the pronouncing also. So in case if you make mistakes, what you see, everyone will call you, oh, this boy or this girl is using butler English, because they are not following the rules. Yes? So there are certain rules which we have to keep in mind before we talk or we write. Yes? So today we are going to see articles. We have in earlier classes also we have seen nouns. Yes? So it's just a little extension of nouns, pronouns you will use in this year, and articles. So basic parts of speech you will be learning: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives. Yes, interjections, conjunctions, so many are there. So if you go to higher classes or even go to college also, there is advanced English you have to learn. So today we are going to deal with the articles. So it is a page number 46, children, in the lesson 7. I hope you are ready with your textbook, pencil and eraser. Yes? So we've been doing these sessions for a long time, so specifically I don't have to tell. Please keep your books ready before you start the video. Okay? So articles, let me read this. You have already learned that we use article A before the noun that begins with a consonant. Yes? So we have few articles like A and B. These three are articles. These three little this letter and these words comes under articles. But I am not sure which articles you are dealing with in this class. But first we will deal with A. A is used before noun. So what is the noun here? Again, it's a naming words for people, places, things, animals, birds, flowers. You can take special places. Yes, these are all before nouns we are using. So example, simple example. Even with the two words also it makes a sentence. So this is also a sentence. So I am going to add one letter or word here. So this is also a sentence. Dash book. Book is a thing, right? It's a noun. So we are going to place this A before nouns and especially before consonants. So we have to check the consonant part here. So already learned in the first class, right? What are vowels and what are consonants? right? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So consonants are the remaining alphabets. Other than these remaining alphabets. So is it a vowel? Let's see. E, I, O, U. No, it's not a vowel. So it's a consonant. So before a consonant and a noun, we will use the letter A. It's a book. Got it? So we can say start with a simple. Okay, let me read. Let me continue. We use the article an before the noun, but that begins with the vowel. So now we are going to deal with an example. So dash elephant. Let's see. Elephant is an animal. It is a noun. Yes or no? So now we are going to check this. Is it an vowel or consonant? Now E is an vowel. So I should say an alphabet, an elephant. Okay, so now you got difference between A and an. Two conditions. It should be before noun, and what is the other thing? Is it the first letter would be vowel or consonant? We have to check. Got it? So let's move on. Both A and an are called indefinite articles. So both A and an are called indefinite articles. So we will deal with more examples. Don't worry, bust. First we will understand the concept. Okay. When we talk about a specific object, what is an object? We will see that. We use the. Okay, the is known as a definite article. So it seems A and an are indefinite and B is definite article. Okay. So that I am trying to interpret what we are reading from the textbook. Okay, follow it, then we will do more examples. Using A and an. It will be a little bit confusing. So let me rub this and draw a mind map for you. So articles. A and B, right? See, these both are indefinite and this is definite article. We are using this before nouns. We are using this. It's a definite article. Use before nouns. This is a definite article, and where we are using this, it says that when we talk about a specific object, specific. Car. If I take a car, if I say car, regular car. If I say Honda car, I have given a specific brand name, right? There are different types of brands are available at the market. So I have said Honda car. So I have given a specific name, a specific object we are talking about. Car is an object. Yes or no? So this one is used when we talk about specific object. Okay, so using now A and N. How to use? If a word begins with the consonant sound, we use the A before it. If it begins with the vowel sound, we use N. We already done this. Yes or no? For words like honor, honest, and our, where H is silent. Very interesting. Honor, honest, our. These some words are there where H is silent. So I have to check the next letter. So O is there. So O is a vowel, right? So A, E, I, O, U. Keep it in mind. So it is a vowel. So what we have? Where H is silent, we use and. Because this is silent, we are not pronouncing. Honor, you should not say honor. This is sleeping. This is silent. Okay? H is silent here. Let's assume it is sleeping there. So we are going to pronounce honor, honest, our, not our is wrong. So since O is coming here, we use the article and before these words. Okay? So let's do it. A and an are used with singular nouns. One more rule. So it has to be before noun. Yes, it should be before. We have to check the is it a vowel or consonant. But and again they have to use. It seems singular nouns. Singular nouns also, not plural. Singular, you all know. Singular means when we are talking about one chalk. I cannot say I am showing this and say chalks. Because I am showing you only one chalk. C-H-A-L-K. Chalk. Singular. Let's see. I have grabbed 3. I have 3 chalks. I have used plural. Got it? So, one more rule. It has to be before singular noun only. Used for A and an or used for B for the singular nouns. Okay, now we got 3 rules here for A and an. A and an are used with common nouns that we use for the first time. For example, my sister wore a long pink dress yesterday. Common nouns. One more rule we got. Teacher, we have to remember all these rules. Yes. We have no other choice. So it seems used with common nouns. So we have, it is an indefinite article used before nouns, that too common nouns and singular nouns. Now we are what are common nouns? Common nouns means I gave you an example of car. I said car, it is a common noun. If I say Honda car, that is a specific noun. Yes or no? Specifically I did. If I say boy, any boy, it can be any boy, common noun. If I say Anil, if I am mentioning about Anil, I gave a specific name. I mentioned a specific name. So, it's a special noun it will be. Common noun will be boy. Now you understood? You understood about nouns? Naming words for people, places, things and animals. Singular, when we are talking about only one noun. Any noun, it can be bird, animal or anything else. Common, it should be a common noun. It should not be a specific noun. For specific things, we are using the word the article. Okay? Now we are dealing with. We use these the nouns that have already been mentioned before. For example, a red car came to pick up my father. The car belongs to his friend. We also use the when we know who and what we mean. Okay? So when we use the what we know or who or what we mean. Let's say for example, the principal of our school. Principal of our school, the driver of the red car. Yes. So we use the when we write or talk about a person or thing for which there is only one. For example, so certain rules are there. When we talk about a specific object, it is there. We use it. We also use the when we know who or what we mean. About who and what we mean, we are talking. We use the word the. And we use the when we talk about a person or thing of which there is only one. Sun is one, moon is one. So the sun, the moon. But planets are more. I cannot say the planets because any specific, unique, there is only one in the world. Okay, we use the. There is only one in the world. I am Srivalli teacher. By my name there are so many people are there, so many girls and women are there outside in this school. So any specific, we have only sun. We don't have suns, no. So when there is only one in the world, we use the. So fill in the blanks with A and or the. So we'll talk about, we'll deal with the exam. Fill in the blanks now. Did you see dash cat just now? Dash cat. Let's see this example. Did you see a dash cat just now? A cat is a noun, singular noun, common noun. Yes or no? So all rules are satisfied. It is A. It is a noun. Cat is an animal. Yes. It is a singular cat. Yes. There is no plural. It is a common. Yes. Because I didn't mention the name of the cat. Something brownie, sweetie, something, I didn't mention. So it's just a common noun. Yes or no? So all the rules are satisfied. Your first answer would be A. Understood, children? So now we will move on to the page number 47. The train was late. I had to wait for dash hour. Oh, we have taken few examples like with H word, right? Here H is silent, S for silent. So O is a oval. Yes, it is a singular and it is a common word. So O is a, your oval is there, so and okay, third one. I want to ride a dash horse. Horse again. A horse. Okay, for everything I am not mentioning all the rules. So check whether they are satisfied or not. It should be a common noun, singular noun, and you have to check if there is any vowel or consonant is there. Okay. Now fourth one. Have you seen dash Taj Mahal? So Taj Mahal is only, we have one Taj Mahal in the whole world. So the Taj Mahal. Got it, children? I am looking for dash doctor. Okay? The doctor. My father gave us each dash ice cream and ice cream. Okay? He is dash police officer, a police officer. Yesterday my baby brother saw a dash aeroplane for the first time. An aeroplane. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Yes, the stars are twinkling in the sky. So, these are the few examples, children. So, we hope you understood the concept. So, today's homework would be, So in the next session we will continue with the bit E. So your today's homework will be read the concept of articles. Okay, page 46. In the next session we will do more examples. Thank you. Have a good day.